Guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. As promised, this is part 2 of the collection. If you want to see the part 1, please click in the link above. These belong to a good friend of mine who has a few Tupperdors with boxes of cigars which are going to be kept for long term. These are going to be for storage and hopefully for aging. There are 4 different types of Tupperdors here. Each one of them has a Boveda bag in them and they keep the cigars quite well. The only thing is, with these Tupperdors, around every 2 to 3 months you need to open up and air out and inspect the cigars to make sure that there's no mold or any growths on the cigars. This guy keeps a Boveda bag in each one and a digital hydrometer in each one to monitor the temperature and the humidity in each one of the packs. This has been proven to be one of the best ways to age cigars and to keep them maintenance free. These are so easy to maintain and not really very difficult. The first box that he has in his collection is the 8 Chapman connoisseur. I believe these are the connoisseur number 2s. This is a cabinet of 25 and this is an especial, as we said in one of our previous videos. Yeah, these are connoisseur Bs. This box is dated August 2024, so relatively new and will definitely benefit from quite a while in storage and to age them. Connoisseur number 2s have increased in price significantly in the last couple of years and have become very sought after. These are an Especialista, as I mentioned, and let's open them up and have a look. And there you have them, beautiful thick band on the cigars. These cigars will benefit from aging and over time will develop and open up. In the next Tupperdor he's got a couple of boxes. The first one is the Quai d'Orsay 50. This box is dated July 2023. So these are the Quai d'Orsay 50, and then on top we've got a box of Hoya del Monterrey. These are the La Casa de Habano edition. These are called Hoya Deluxe, and these are very small cigars. 50, I believe 50 ring gauge. Don't quote me on that. It's either 50 or 52 ring gauge. And they come with an additional La Casa de Habano band. Let's have a look. Really nice. These come in boxes of 10. And this cigar box is dated from August 2022, so already have a couple of years age on them. Next is the Rey del Mundo Chuix Supreme. We've actually done an unboxing for this video for this cigar on our channel. These are also EMS, which is English Market Selection, and these are the hydrometers that put in each one of the boxes. I can see then the boxes in 8 Chapman Royal Robusto. Okay, let's open these up. There you go. Really nice. This is EMS as well, so this was bought in the UK. Probably paid the premium for them. They're quite expensive, but that ribbon is quite useful actually, so when you pull the cigar out you don't damage the foot or the head. Next, like I said, these are the 8 Chapman Royal Robustos, and again these are from April 2023. These are an absolute gem of a cigar. These are 52 ring gauge by 13 centimeters, and they're just wow. These will benefit from aging 100%, and these are very not easy to come by. They have the La Casa de Habano secondary band, and they're absolutely class. They don't make very much of those throughout the year, and it's very hard to come by them, and when they do come out, they get sold out quite quickly. And finally, we have a box of 10 Por Larranaga Galanes. This is also an EMS, so this box was also purchased in the UK, and this box is dated October 2023. I've found that these have a very sweet profile and quite sweet cigars, but nonetheless they're incredible. And as you can see, he's already had one just to try out, but these are marvelous with the golden Por Larranaga band, and these will definitely benefit from aging. Por Larranaga, when they come fresh from the boxes, they're all quite bitter, and as time goes by, they mellow down and they just become absolutely beautiful. We're moving on to the third Tupperdor, and there's some interesting stuff there. Let's open them up. And the first box is the Sancho Panza. This is an edition of cigars that they made for the Greek and Cyprian market, which is very unusual. Not many brands do cigars for that region, so it's quite an interesting and rare regional edition. Let's open them up and have a look. And there you have them. Very cool. You've got the Sancho Panza band, which looks quite vintage and looks quite old, and then you have the regional additional band. That is very nice. I'm sure these will also benefit from aging quite nicely. This was not a limited release, but very hard to come by still, so if you get one of them and you see them in Greek airports and everything, just grab onto them because they are very expensive here in the UK. Next we have the La Gloria Cubana Torinos. These are from April 2024. Again, also purchased in the UK. The Torinos is the La Gloria Cubana's latest addition to their cigars, and I must say they are fantastic. I've got myself a box to age, and I can't wait to smoke one of them. They're beautiful cigars and a nice vitola as well. I find that a lot of these brands like La Gloria Cubana and Sancho Panza are definitely hidden gems amongst the Habanos lineup, and I think that they are things that a lot of we'll call them influencers skip because they don't know what these are, but these are absolutely incredible and cigars that will not will just benefit over time. Next we have a box of Montecristos. These are the Montecristo Petit Edmundos, boxes of 10. I remember picking these up back in the day for so cheap. I was paying I think £13 a cigar. Nowadays if you find them anywhere in Europe like for less than 19 pounds, you're in good hands, and you should definitely buy them because these have become a fortune in the UK. Next is the Ramon Allones. These are the superioris. I've smoked quite a few of these before, and these are great cigars and really enjoyable. As you can see, he's already smoked a couple. These are great, just like all the Ramon Allones. You can never go wrong, and you can never have way too many. These are just cigars that if you're not sure what you want to smoke, just go for Ramon Allones. This box is dated from November 2022, and this is, like I said, an EMS selection which was sold in 2024. Again, there's another box of superioris. This one is dated May 2023. And finally at the bottom, he's got what I consider the best cigars in the industry. These are the Ramon Allones specially selected. These are from July 2023. And let's open these up. Beautiful. These are quite boxy, The cabinet of 50s, those are actually quite round. These I find a bit more boxed in order to fit into the dress box, but these are cigars which are fantastic. I've got a box on the way actually, hoping to arrive in the next 2 weeks. And then finally there's the last Tupperdor, and inside there's a very special box. As you can see, these are the Upmann Winstons. These are, wow, fantastic cigars, come in a beautiful lacquered box, and they have been coming like that for many years. This box is from July 2023. I've smoked one of those from 2003 and it was just absolutely insane. And these cigars, this actual one we're showing in the video, once it'll be aged for a couple of years, it'll just be a delightful and really enjoyable experience for the smoker. These also come in box of 25, and let's open them up and have a look. They have an EMS additional paper which shows that these have English market selection, and these have been inspected one more time, because a lot of times in Cuba they have problems with quality control. So the EMS is the English market selection, which is by Hunters and Francow, and they inspect the cigars one more time to make sure that everything is satisfactory. And the price is accordingly. English market selection always more expensive. So as you can see here, the cigars, beautiful. We've done an unboxing for these on the channel. The link will be above. Incredible cigars. Quite veiny this box happens to be, but I'm sure that they'll be great once they are aged a little bit more. Let's close this up, and then underneath we have 2 boxes of Punch 48. These are an Orson Especialista cigar, and they are, this one is from March 2023, and these comes in box of 10. We've done an unboxing for this on the channel as well. These are very hard to come by these days if you're not buying EMS. These are from the UK, so they're quite easy to come by if you're willing to pay the premium. Let's open these up and have a look. There you go, really nice with a second band. And these are actually, I found them to be quite common in airports, if you go to the right ones. The reason why there's paper clips in all of the boxes, that's to allow bev air to come in and humidity to get into the box. And like we said, this is from March 2023, and the other box is from September 2017. So this box has already been aged for quite a while, and I'm sure that these are fantastic. You can see the cedar is different from the previous box to this box. Open these up. Just take a look at this wrapper. Wow, you can see the age has benefited them, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I would not mind trying one of these and seeing how the flavor profile has opened up and enhanced. But again, you see, even look at the paper, it's already a bit of brown. The cigars have been sitting there for quite a while and have matured and developed and opened up the flavor profile for them. So smoking one of these will be an absolute treat, and I can assume that he's saving these for a special occasion. Putting everything back into the boxes, into the Tupperdors. This is actually quite a collection and worth quite a bit of money, especially that these are, most of these have been EMS. These will be worth quite a much in the future, and they're just great cigars to smoke, and they're all classics, classic Cubans. And something that every collector should have is something stored away, aging, and will benefit from a bit of age. Here's the dog of this owner. If you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.